Welcome to the quick and easy install with the WordPress to your local machine so you can start the WordPress development. Make sure to click subscribe and like this video to follow along with the new tutorials coming out. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to go to wordpress.org and install the WordPress. Scroll down to the section and click on download. Open your code editor and open the folder. Make sure to put your WordPress zip file inside of your wamp or xampp or mamp if you're using Mac folder. Create a PHP admin root access and then create a new database. Okay, here is where we need to specify database name, database username, database password, and host. Specify the database name, specify the user for that database, and leave the two options default. And then to run a WP installation. Then in this page, just create your site title, username for login to the site, password as well, confirm the weak password, and your email address. And then click this button, discourage search engines from indexing this page, as we're working on the local site. Now we're good. Log in. Congrats on creating a WordPress site on your local environment. Now you're ready to start developing it.